channel. Today we're going to be doing our Boxycharm unboxings for the month of June. I have the premium and the base box here, so we're just going to unbox the two and compare them. Of course, as always, I'll have the cost of each box on the screen for you so you can determine if you feel it was worth it or not. Let's go ahead and get in. This is another month where the base box is bigger than the premium box, but it doesn't mean there's more things in here, it's just the packaging. The theme this month is Dare to Dazzle. There's a little card we get, and the first thing I see in here I'm so excited about. It's the Dominique Cosmetics Multi-Use Eye and Face Palette. It's their transition palette. I was so excited to get this, and I love Kristen Dominique's products. The other ones that we've gotten so far in other boxes are just amazing, so I was really looking forward to this one. And it is an all matte palette that you can use for your eyes or your face. That's cool too, and I really love the packaging. It's kind of soft touch. It's a really pretty packaging, just nice neutral there. Then here's the inside. Very pretty colors, right up my alley. So this would be good for everyday looks, or if you want to smoke it out, it has the tones in there for that too. Has looks you could use like for your under eye setting powder, your bronzer, your blush, all kinds of different things you can do with that. So that's really cool. I can't wait to try it. It says, life is complicated, makeup shouldn't be. To keep things simple, here's your new everyday go-to. A versatile multi-use palette with a range of warm to cool neutral matte shades. Choose daytime no makeup looks, or go full on sultry smoky glam. Retails for $48. And then next I have by Lorac their Alter Ego lip liner. It's a highly pigmented lip liner. Oh, I thought this was an eyeliner, but it says it's a lip liner. There's the box it comes in. I was like really excited to get the shade and an eyeliner, and it's a lip liner. I'll have to look it up and see if it's safe to use in the eyes, because this isn't a shade I would use on my lips personally. Here's the packaging. Do a quick swatch here for you. It's a really bright pink color with like a purple tone to it. It says, instantly transform your look with these lip liners. They're highly pigmented, smudge proof, and perfect for lining or filling in your lips for color that lasts. Prevents color from bleeding, feathering, and fading. The retractable pencil includes a built-in sharpener to create a super fine point. And it retails for $17. Then by Natasha Denona, I got their Transfer Matte Pore Vanishing Matte Foundation. They were out of a lot of shades by the time that I went on to do my choices, because I totally forgot about it, so it was later in the day. So I got 42 NY medium. So that'll go in a future giveaway for you guys, because it's not a shade that's going to work for me. I thought maybe it would work on my tan shade, but it pulls a little more yellow than I think would look right on me. And for that one, it says it's a medium to full coverage modern matte liquid luxe foundation that blurs pores, smooths uneven texture, and protects your skin from environmental damage. Retails for $45. And then I got by Floss the Concierge Cheek and Lip Tint. And it's in the shade Sandals, it says. The packaging looks like. There's the shade. And I think I'll give this a go. I haven't tried like a cream blush or a blush stick, so I'm definitely going to give that a try, maybe in a future video. It'll be my first time using one, so we'll see. For that one, it says a hydrating cheek and lip tint for an effortless beachy vibe. Formulated for convenience and ease of use, these weatherproof, no brush needed tints blend seamlessly into the skin for all day wear. Apply directly onto cheeks and lips and blend out with the tips of your fingers. Retails for $22. Then I got by, what is that? Maupelim. I'm not even sure I'm saying that name right at all. It's an eye cream. And for that one, it says this eye cream contains quinoa extract, colloidal oats, and vitamin C, all of which work to reduce dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. Retails for $39. I'm always looking to try a new eye cream because your girl does suffer from the dark circles, unfortunately. So I'll add that to the ones I have yet to try. I like to use up what I'm on before I move to the next one. So the last thing in this box is by Skin Regimen, their HA Booster. It says it's a Hydra Plumping Concentrate. I think it's like a serum of some sort, and the package looks pretty much like the box did. Serums is another thing I really like. I love applying them like with my skincare routine, especially before makeup or before bed. So they work really well on my skin, especially hyaluronic acid, because I have really dry skin. So that'll be something I'll definitely use. And it says it's a hydrating serum with a concentrate of 3 forms of hyaluronic acid, micro, macro, and cross-linked to infuse the skin, lock in moisture at various levels, and restore optimal levels of hydration. Free from silicones and synthetic fragrance, 99.2% natural organ ingredients. Retails for $115. $115? Girl, you better do some magic. And that's all, guys, for the base box this month. I'll have the price here. Let's jump into the premium box. So like I said, here's the premium, and it's a smaller box. The first thing we got in that one is the Avant Hyaluronic Lactate Vitamin B3 Hyaluronic Acid Replenishing Lip Serum. So that's cool. Serum, but for your lips. And there's what that looks like. So it's kind of like a lip gloss. That should be interesting to try. I haven't never tried a serum for your lips, but to me it does kind of look just like a lip gloss. It's a lip serum designed to simultaneously plump and nourish the lips. Hyaluronic acid works to intensely hydrate, plump, and balance moisture levels without feeling sticky. Lactic acid contributes to lightening the pigmentation and nourishing the lips effectively. Retails for $122. $122 for a juiced up lip gloss, I'm thinking. We'll see how that goes. It better be worth $122. I expect magic. And then we have by Benefit their brow styler. And this one's in Neutral Blonde 2.5. Has a pencil and a powder side. I hope it's not too light for me. My brows are brown. Let's see. I think it might work. It's kind of a taupe color. You have that pencil side there, and then you have a powder side. I've never used the brow powder before, so that should be interesting. And that says this 2-in-1 wax pencil and powder duo is all you need to create 3 essential eyebrow looks. The waterproof 18-hour wear wax pencil effortlessly sculpts and shapes the brows. The loose feeling powder's precise angled felt tip allows for mess-free application while building easily for a soft and natural look. Retails for $34. I enjoy Benefit's brow products, so hopefully that's another one I like. Then I got by AMNH Skincare their Starry Collagen Gel Eye Pads. Comes with 5 pairs in there. It says collagen gel eye pads to reduce wrinkles and dark circles. Retails for $32. So just a typical eye pad, didn't say anything special about it. And then we have a blush by NARS in the shade Orgasm. So I'm sure we've all heard of this blush. It's been talked about for many, many years on YouTube especially. Let's see. I don't own it though, so it was cool to get it. It comes in their nice soft touch packaging. And there's what the shade looks like. Very pretty. It does have a reflect to it. It says this cult favorite, best-selling blush delivers a weightless, natural-looking rush of cheek color in matte, satin, and shimmering finishes. Retails for $30. Then we have a body gel from Aromatherapy Associates London. It says energize and awaken, and it's a full-size body gel. This is something different to get in a Boxycharm. On it says enjoy the naturally exhilarating properties of this revived body gel for skin that feels refreshed and smooth. High concentrations of the finest essential oils of juniper berry, deliciously invigorating grapefruit, and stimulating rosemary help promote an even skin texture and boost energy. Retails for $46. Then we have by Elemis their Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. It says it has pumpkin, acerola cherry, and mango butter. Cleans, brightens, and nourishes. I really like Elemis products, so. And I don't have a product like this that's a cleansing butter. Not the consistency. Ooh, it's actually orange. I'm almost out of my current cleanser I'm using now, so I think I'll replace it with this. Then I have by Dr. Brandt their triple antioxidant face cream. It visibly smooths wrinkles and helps prevent the signs of aging. And it's their Pride Month packaging. Say I love you. Pound say I love you. Hashtag say I love you. And then it has the same little logo on the packaging here, which is cool. It says this antioxidant enriched moisturizer provides skin with 12 hours of protection from damaging free radicals and external aggressors. It's formulated with the revolutionary A3 power, a dynamic shield boosted with antioxidant anti-stress ingredients that help preserve a youthful appearance. Retails for $64. Then the next thing that I got, I had to open it up to see what it was because I didn't remember. It's a pair of sunglasses by NYS. And I actually chose these as a choice item. They come in a nice little carrying pouch. And here's the glasses themselves. Let's do a little quick, don't want to mess up my makeup, but there's what they look like on. Nice and chic. It says, these shades are your go-to everyday fashion frame. With the perfect balance between timeless and edgy, they feature a slightly winged square frame, polycarbonate gradient lenses, gold metal accents, and a quilted embossed temple pattern. Retails for $40. So I thought that was really cool, something different to get in a box. I've gotten glasses in FabFitFun before, but not any other makeup subscription. So that was really cool. And that's all I got in my boxes, guys. I'll leave the price of premium here for you, just like the base, so you can compare the two. I'll have a link below if you're interested in subscribing to Boxycharm. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave. Thanks for watching. Bye.